All right, we did the first dive at Magnet. Really wild place, amazing place. We were really lucky actually, there was not that strong swell. We felt it only on the upper side where is a plateau, upper plateau, which is about 18 meters. So now we are here for another hour. I'm gonna fly a drone just to show you surroundings. It's just simply incredible place. I tried once to fly a drone from the boat. Since then I better land somewhere and then flying a drone from there, simply because the drone has its home point. Whatever you launch it, it's setting the home point there, and then it's simply going somewhere to that same place while the boat is moving. And to catch it, no, if it's a big boat, no problem, but here I don't want to risk. Like I said, I've been planning this trip for about 3 years, and finally I'm here, and it's better than I thought. Absolutely. It's kind of mix Nusa Penida, Komodo. The Komodo National Park is not that far from here. That's what you're gonna see from the air now. Flight over amazing places. Kids swimming, they are like a parrots, repeating everything I'm saying, which is great. Kids are kids everywhere. And then we're gonna do 3 dives today. So now it's the time to eat and drink something, and then we go. Next dive site, Magnet Sarang. That means, in a local language, it means a bird nest. a bit of review about the dive sites. At the moment it's a little bit milky, but I know a couple of days ago Tonya was diving in Nusa Penida, Manta Point, and she said it was really bad visibility. It's not bad here, it's actually really okay, but yeah, water temperature is still 27 degrees, so that's why, most probably that's why there are no mabulas and hammerhead sharks. I believe we will come back within this season again, I mean in a month, so then we will have bigger chance. Last year they saw hammerhead sharks 9th of May and mabulas only 23rd of May. Now today when I'm recording this one, it's the 7th of May. First diving day is over. Now heading back to our lodge.